So after you go through the complete lifestyle calculator and you get this all broken down, it will tell you what your estimated annual salary should be to live that lifestyle. So here, and I just plugged in a bunch of random stuff so I could get to this screen. What I want you to do is take a screenshot or snippet of this. So an easy way is you can go to the snipping tool on your computer. You can just search it, snipping tool, comes up, hit new, and you just cut around that, just like that. And then that automatically turns that into a picture. So you can copy it, you can save it, and then you can just hit copy and you can put it on a Google Doc. Just paste it real quick onto a Google Doc. So you come here. I'm not signed in to the correct. And you just hit Docs, and then you can pull the blank one, and then just paste it. And there it is. And then you can turn this in to me in Google Classroom under this lesson. You would just go to Add, and you could add it from your Google Drive and just turn that in. Let me show you what that looks like for those of you who do not know. I will go into a classroom that I am a student in, so I can show you what it looks like from your side instead of what it looks like from my teacher version. So if I was here, I would just click Add and from my Google Drive and then upload it. Just like that. I would hit Google Drive, I would find it in my Google Drive, and then I would hit, this would say turn in. I would hit turn in. This is something that I've already done. I made 100 on it. So that is how you give me a screenshot of your estimated salary. And then you are going to come to this worksheet right here. It's going to force you to make a copy. You'll make a copy, put it in your Google Drive, and then you will answer those questions. It's going to tell you to pick a career based on this salary that the lifestyle calculator gave you. So you will go to Explore Occupations, and you can pick any one you want. Pick one you might be interested in, or just one you've never heard of. That's fine by me. I'm not going to hold you to this. I'm not going to find you later on in life and make sure you're doing this exact job you said. So pick one. Nuclear engineer. And some of the information will be on here that I've asked, and some you're going to have to actually research. So you can click here and look also. It will tell you a quick description, some job tasks, there's a video, employment outlook, skills. Not everything that I asked in this question, in this worksheet, is going to be on this particular slide. You may have to actually go and research and find out the answer to the question. You are capable of doing that. You have Google. You can find the answers. So go and search and try to find them. If you're having difficulty, ask me, and I will be more than happy to come over and help you. But please try to do some of that on your own before you call me over to help you. And you're welcome to pick any career that you are interested in at all. It'll give you quite a few, and it'll give you the list of their annual salary for Texas. So go ahead and complete the lifestyle calculator, take a screenshot of it, turn that into Google Classroom, and then pick a career out of these options, and then answer those questions. And let me know if you have any questions, need anything. And so make sure you turn in your questions and make sure you turn in the screenshot of your salary requirement. That lets me know you finished the lifestyle calculator lesson. So let me know if you have any trouble with anything or if you need any help.